who I have here. Doesn't even look like the same dog, does he? Anybody who knows, this is Reggae. Can you believe it? He's gotten a nice shave down. We got a smile on his face. He's doing much better. How so? Because he starts his treatments this week. That's right. Rega is now going to start his heartworm treatments. He's now strong enough to be able to take it on. Yes. Right, Rega. We're going to make sure we get you all better, aren't we? Because Rega needs to get better. He's been with us for a few months now, and he's now certainly enjoying the company of us, getting a little more feisty. It's still quite hot for him, and he doesn't do a whole lot of movement, but we're going to get him better, aren't we? We need donations to pay for this very expensive heartworm treatment, but we know this guy's going to do well, don't we? Yeah. So there's Reggae in his styling and pushing his new haircut, and he's going, I got a cut now, I want to get even better. Thanks a lot for all your help.